Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Tuesday, March 9th, 2010. This morning I'd like to go through a small registry interface that exists in VisualWorks for Windows, and it's a package you can load. So if I move the registry editor out of the way, and I've got this up to show you that I'm not pulling anything out of my leg here, so let's go to the Parcel Manager. And once that's up, what we'll do is we'll pull that into the view and we'll go down here to OS Windows. You'll find there's a registry package right here. It is a contributed piece, so it's not fully supported, but it is pretty nice. You can load that. Comes in pretty quick, and at that point what you can do is you can do interesting things. Now I've installed Object Studio 8.2. Let's go ahead and say we want to grab the key for Object Studio 8.2. Doesn't turn out that there's anything really there. It's a blank key, and you can see this, that there's one thing in there, and there's the data, which is some registry data, and then the key, which is this, and the name, which is not really anything. So if you drill down though, you can find that that matches what's in here. So let's go down to current user, we'll go down to Syncom Systems, we'll go down here to 8.2, and there you can see there's nothing there. Let's move that out of the way. Let's get something a little more interesting. We'll get the keys for Office, so we can go to the Microsoft Office installation, which I just put on yesterday. Current user, software, Microsoft Office 12. And let's ask for all the sub keys under that system there. So we'll do an inspect on that. And you can see there's a bunch of stuff. You can see that we have Access, and we have the common stuff, we have Excel, and so on. If I go to Basics, you'll see all the stuff that's there. Now let's go over here and make sure that matches. We'll go down here to Software, and we'll go to Microsoft, and then down here to Office 12, and you can see under 12 you can see all the things that I just found. So all these things are exactly as I pulled up in Smalltalk. So let's again push that out of the way, and we'll close this. Now one more thing, it's nice to be able to write keys. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new key under HKey current user. We're just going to put a dummy key with the value 12. Not anything terribly exciting. So we'll go ahead and do it. And now what we'll do, to show you that it's actually here, we'll scroll all the way back up here to this. We'll go to current user, and there's my dummy key. There's the value of 12, so it's there. And since it's a completely dummy key, I can pull this up and delete it and ignore this warning because it's not terribly useful. I just tossed it in there. The nice thing is though, if you have an application you're writing for Windows and you need to deal with the registry either from a write sense or a read sense, you can deal with it in this fashion. You can read stuff out of the registry, you can write stuff into the registry, you can have your application work pretty much like all other Windows applications work this way. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.